Hey guys, Natalia here in New York City, and today is day 3 of the makeup series. All right, so I just wanted to share with you that this morning I woke up and I actually have a friend here in the complex and we went to play tennis. I feel that when you wake up and you're like eager to exercise and you feel energized, you should do it like first thing because you're like, okay, you feel accomplished, you feel energized, you feel like all these stamina that comes from exercise, like boosting your body, boosting your mood. So if you can make it happen in the morning, exercise in the morning is great. Remember that exercise releases endorphins, so it's a good mood booster. So go for it. However, if the morning is impossible, you cannot make it happen, just try to squeeze in at any point through the day some like 20-30 minutes little workout. Even some people are squeezing 10 minutes, and little is better than nothing. Exercise, if I could say, if there was one pill that could cure many diseases, it will be like exercising a pill. I wish I could like prescribe that. Anyway, so I wanted to share that with you guys. That happened this morning. Today I'm going to show you a red lips look. So when I use red lips, I tend to have my eyes quite bright. I don't apply any dark or deep eyeshadow because that can take away from my lips. So I already have a little bit of eyeliner, but I'm going to make it a little bit more pronounced. So here we go with this look. Hey guys, so I applied my foundation. I applied it with my little sponge that you guys saw on video number 2, and I applied my concealer. Today I want to apply my powder in camera. So my setting powder. Sometimes I use foundation, especially for like night looks. For day looks, I do not. I only use the powder, and that's if I feel that I need it. Sometimes you wake up and you have that face that is like a little bit uneven or a little bit more oily, so that's when I use my powder. Otherwise, sometimes I don't even use it. All right, so here's my powder. Sometimes I use it also in my eyelids as needed. Good. Okay, wonderful. Now, moving on to the eyes. For the eyes, we are going to use a little bit of like a golden, as I said, golden eyeshadow. So that's about to happen in a second. Okay, so I'm going to apply this particular eyeshadow with my fingers, just because I want it to be actually a little bit more like pronounced in my eyes. I don't want to diffuse it too much, so it actually looks nice and gold. And I learned this technique from a makeup artist. She started doing this and I'm like, why aren't you using the brush? And she said, I want the eyeshadow to stay a little bit more on your eye, to be more pronounced. And I'm like, oh, this is interesting. So ever since, whenever I wanna use some sort of like metal, gold, or silver eyeshadow, I apply it with my fingertips. All right, so now you guys can see kind of like the result on my right eye. I don't know why I always like do my right eye first and my left, but anyway. I want to get a little closer so you guys can see like the sides. All right, and again, this is also another night look, but you don't have to use it at night. You can always use it during the day. All right, so I'm gonna finish my second eye, and we'll get back to the rest of the face. All right, guys, so today for my eyeliner, I'm going to use Beauty and the City Ultimate Liner in diamond color. There we go, and I'm gonna open it so you guys can see the actual color, which is nice. And I already applied it on my left eye, so now I'm gonna apply it on my left tight. Oh, don't do this. Don't pull on your eye like I do. I've tried so hard not to do this, but I can't. A friend saw me doing it and she's like, don't pull on your eyelid. And I'm like, oh my God. For the eyeliner, I've tried so hard not to do it, but it's a little hard. But anyway. All right. So I did my eyeliner. Great. Now let's do the bottom, like the bottom of my eye, and a little bit of mascara, and I want to finish up also with the blush. And today, I would like to use a little bit of the shimmer spray. We're gonna use this at the end to give again your face a little bit of a glow, so it can match my actual blouse, which is a little bit of like sparkling. So we will be using this at the end. All right. Okay, so I did my waterline, and now I am retouching my eyelashes. Don't forget that your bottom eyelashes are as important as the top. A lot of people don't pay a lot of detail to them. But, oh no, I made a boo-boo. All right, we'll correct that later. And there we go. I don't understand why when you are applying makeup, like mascara, you cannot close your eyes. Isn't that weird? All right, I'm gonna correct this little boo-boo that I made on my eye. Okay, so now I'm applying my blush. I like to apply my blush a little bit higher on my cheekbone, so you guys can see that sometimes it can help you contour your face. Not always, but for this look, we're gonna go like this, since I am not doing a heavy contouring today. And there we go. Good. All right, beautiful. Off to your lips, off to the lips. All right, I wanted to show you guys how I prep my lips by using Beauty and the City Vitamin C. This product has changed the texture of my lips. I apply it day and night and in between if I can. So I like to do this prior to my lipstick, just because I like to kind of like make sure that my lips are moisture before I apply any kind of like lipstick, especially if it's a heavy lipstick like the red color. And some people actually just use this. It gives you a nice glow. Great. So here it is for you guys to see it. Okay, off to the lipstick. All right, so off to the lips. So I'm going to be applying a matte lip gloss. I guess if it's a matte, it can be a lip gloss. Okay, I will be applying a red color on my lips. And that's all you need. A lot of people like to define their lips first. I tend to skip that. I mean, I think that I have a pretty good ability to go around my lips, or maybe sometimes just slightly outside of it to make them pop a little bit more. But I think it came out just, and see, one pass of the lipstick and it was enough. So this look is all about the lips. That's why I encourage you guys not to use heavy eyeshadow or heavy makeup in your face, because you want to pop your lips, right? Then you put your earrings on, whatever, and here is your look. And as I said, we're going to finish the look with a shimmer spray by Beauty and the City, just to give yourself a little bit of a glow. Now, I will be applying it directly on my hand first, and then I pat it. I'm gonna pat it over my face because I don't want to disturb the makeup that I applied, and I am all set. So one more time, this is the Shimmer Spray by Beauty and the City, and I heard that sometimes you can even apply it with a brush, but I decided to apply it with my hands. So thank you so much for tuning in for video number 3, and I am looking forward to our next makeup series video. Ciao!